Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Lovett from your Wellness Center. Today I want to talk to you about the symptoms of testosterone. This will be actually the beginning, part one of a three-part series we're going to talk about. But we really need to start from the beginning because really when people are trying to decide whether they have low testosterone or not, they're trying to figure out what are those symptoms. Well, to be honest with you, if you have either decreased libido or basically decreased erection strength, or basically your erections are less strong, either one of those can actually be a sign by itself of low testosterone. But also if you have any of the following three in any combination, whether you have lack of energy, you're having decreased strength and endurance, you have loss of height, you notice a little bit less enjoyment of life, you've been sad or grumpy. Interestingly, there's some depression directly linked to low testosterone. If you've noticed recent deterioration in your ability to play sports, if you're falling asleep after dinner, or when you come home from work, you feel like you need to take a nap, or if there's been any recent deterioration either at home life or even work life performance, any three of those last seven that I just mentioned could also indicate symptoms of low testosterone. Many times when people come to our office, they they're here because they have low energy, low libido, low erection strength in men. Women basically obviously don't have erections, but they have all the other 9 symptoms. To be honest with you, they're very similar. So when it used to be thought that women can't have low testosterone. Well, we find that is wrong on a daily basis. Because I don't know where you want to be, but hopefully you want a testosterone level greater than 0 if you're a woman, because you want to function. In fact, we have many women who I just sometimes look at them wondering how do they ever get out of bed in the morning because their testosterone are so low. So any of those symptoms, again, basically decreased libido, decreased erection strength in men, and any of the other 7, lack of energy, lack of strength and endurance, loss of body height, because as you lose height as you age can be also a sign of low testosterone. Enjoyment, are you sad, are you grumpy, or your deterioration maybe on weekend sports or things that you do. Maybe you play tennis once or twice a week and you're just noticing that your strength and your endurance is just not as good. Or if you feel like you're falling asleep, you're extremely fatigued, especially in the afternoon and evening, and basically if you're just not performing at work. Again, all those are signs of potential low testosterone. So if you want those tested, obviously you can call our office. We do test those levels very frequently. In fact, we also have a lot of information on our website at yourwellnesscenter.com. Don't forget to look at us at part 2, where we're going to talk about how we treat these signs and symptoms of low testosterone. I will be very specific about some of the things we do. It obviously doesn't apply to every person that walks in our door because we are very individualized in our approach. We're not a franchise. We don't sit there and look at everybody as the same person and use basically some kind of algorithm to treat you, which most organizations out there are franchises. So just understand that we're going to look at this as an individual as best I can. Granularly, I'll be talking about in general, but until you actually maybe come into our office and really can have those discussions, can we really kind of tailor that to you. If you have any questions, call us at 513-791-9474 or look at us at yourwellnesscenter.com.